Hello students, I'm again here by taking the solution of exercise number 5.2 arithmetic progression class 10. Okay, we are going to solve this question, but before that I want to tell you that you know how to check the sequence is an AP or not, how you will find next 4 terms or next 3 terms of an AP if value of A and D is given to you. But how will you find any value of an sequence if AP has given to you and you have to find any particular term of that AP? Then how will you find that term? Then that time you have to use a formula. AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 D. This is the very first formula of this exercise. Okay. In this exercise, you have to use this formula to solve any type of questions. Okay, and just learn it. AN means the value of an AP of nth position. Okay, A first value of your AP. N is the position of this value. AN is the value of nth position and D is your common difference. Okay. In your very first question in exercise 5.2, you have given with a table and few values from these 4 values A, N and D. Any 3 values they will give to you and you have to find 4th value. Okay. So we are going to solve question number 1, part 1, in which you have given with A 7, D 3 and N is equals to 8. These 3 values are given to you and you have to find AN. Okay. Then how will you find AN is equals to, what is the value of A? 7 plus 8 minus 1 multiplied by 3. 7 plus 7 multiplied by 3, it will become 7 plus 21 and it is equals to 28. This is your value of AN. Question number 1, part 1. Okay. In question number 1, part 2, value of A is equals to minus 18. Value of D is equals to, it is not given. Value of N is equals to 10 and value of AN is equals to 0. Okay, you have to find the value of D. How will you find? Again, put these values into their formula. AN is, value of AN is equals to 0. Value of A is equals to minus 18 plus N 10 minus 1 D you don't know. 0 is equals to minus 18. Okay. Just transpose this value here from here. It is negative here. Then when you transpose this value here, it will become positive. 10 minus 1 will become 9 D. And D is equals to 18 upon 9. Cancel. It is equals to 2. Value of D is equals to 2. Clear? In third part, value of A is missing. Value of A? Yes, value of A is missing. Value of D is equals to minus 3. Value of N is equals to N. 18 on AN is equals to 5. Is it clear? Yes. It is minus 5. Minus 5. Okay. Then put all these value here. AN minus 5 is equals to A plus N is 18 minus 1 and D is minus 3. A plus 17 multiplied by minus 3 minus 1. A minus 7, 3, 21 and 51 minus 5. A is equals to, when you place this value from here to here, it will become positive. Then 51 and it is minus 5, it will become 46. Your value of A is 46. Clear? Fourth part, In fourth part, value of A is minus 18.9, value of D 2.5, and value of AN 3.6. Means you have to find value of N. Put the values. 3.6 is equals to minus 18.9 plus N minus 1 2.5. Transpose this value from here to here. 3.6 plus 18.9 is equals to N minus 1 2.5. It will become 22.5 is equals to N minus 1 22.5. Transpose here. Cancel point from point. 9. N minus 1 is equals to 9. Then what is the value of N? 10. Okay. From this way you can find all your values. Fifth part you can solve by your own. This is your homework. Now we are going to solve question number 2. Question 2 part 1. Part 2 is again your homework. You can solve it by your own. This is very simple. I am telling you how to solve question number 2 part 1st. 30th term of the AP. AP is given. AP is equals to 10, 7 and 4. And you have to find 30th term. It means N is given to you. 30th term means N is given to you. You have to find the value of 30th term. Means you have to find AN. Okay. A is given to you. From this AP you can search your A and D. Your value of A is 10 and value of D is A2 minus A1. That is equals to 7 minus 10. It means minus 3. Now put these values in this formula. AN is equals to 10 plus N. What is N? 30 minus 1 and D is minus 3. It is equals to 10 plus 29 multiplied by minus 3. 10 minus 7 and 8. 87. It is equals to minus 77. Value of AN means 30th value of this AP is equals to minus 77. Is it clear? Now we are going to solve question number 3. In question number 3, some missing values, a series is given with some missing position. You have to fill those missing positions. Question number 3, part 1. 2, then missing, and then it is equals to 26. What is given here? If you are watching, then this is a sequence in which first term is given, third term is also given, but second term is missing. Okay, means A is equals to 2, A3, because third term 26 is your third term, means A3 is given 26, and if A3 we are taking, then N is equals to 3. Okay, now we are making expression like this by using these terms. So what would be the expression? A3, A plus 3 minus 1 D. Put the value of A3. Value of A3 is equals to 26. Value of A is equals to 2 plus 2 multiplied by D, because we don't know the value of D here. Transpose 2 from this side to this side. 2D, it is equals to 24 and D is equals to 12. This is your value of D. But how will you get this value? You know your AP is in the form of first value is always equals to A, then A plus D, then A plus 2D and so on. This is the basic structure of your AP. If you have the value of first term and D, then you have to add to find second value of your AP. Okay? Then this is 12 and this is 2. 12 plus 2 will become 14. Then your missing value is 14 here. Is it clear? In next question part number 2, first value is missing, then 3, then 4 is missing, and then they have given, sorry, this is 13 and this is 3. Means A2 is given and A4 is given. A1 means A and A3 is missing. You can't find value of D here because you don't have consecutive terms. You have second, then 4. So how will you find D? Because you don't have A. So here you have to make linear equations by using these two expressions. Where are the expressions? This is your A2 and this is your A4. You have to make two expressions by using these two terms. Okay? For A2, what is the value of A2? First I am writing the expression. A2 is equals to A plus 2 minus 1D, and A4 is equals to A plus 4 minus 1D. Clear? What is the value of A2? 13 is equals to A plus 2 minus 1 means 1D, only D. This is your first equation. And A4, value of A4 is 3 is equals to A plus 3D. This is your second equation. You can substitute the value of A or D from this equation to this equation. Okay. What is the value of A here? D you can transpose from here to here. 13 minus D. This is the value of A in this equation. What is the value of A? 13 minus D. Just put this value of A from this equation to this equation. Okay. I am substituting value of A from equation 1 to equation 2. 3 is equals to, what is the value of A? 13 minus D. In place of A I am writing 13 minus D plus 3D. It is same like that. 3 is equals to 3D minus D. It will become 2D plus 2D. 13 transpose from here to here. It will become negative 2D. Then 2D is equals to minus 12 minus 10, and value of D will become minus 5. Okay. By using this method you can find the value of D, minus 5. So minus 5 means your value of D is minus 5. How will you get value of A? Put this value of D from here to here. A is equals to 13 minus 5. What is the value of D? Minus 5. 13 minus plus 5. It is equals to 18. Okay. So what is here? 18. Then D value minus 5. 18 minus 5, 13. 13 minus 5, 8. 8 minus 5, 3. In this way, you can fill all other your missing positions. Okay. Question number third, part third. Question number 3, part third, in which your first value is given, second is missing, third is missing, and fourth is given 9 1 by 2. Okay. You have to find your D. Then you can find all the values of the sequence. How will you find D? A is equals to 5, and what is this value? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is your fourth value. Then at n could be 4, and A4 is equals to 9 1 by 2 means 19 upon 2. Now put these values into this formula. 19 upon 2 is equals to 5 plus 4 minus 1, and we don't know. 19 by 2 minus 5 is equals to 3D. It will become 9 upon 2 is equals to 3D. Then D is equals to 9 upon 2 into 3. 3 is multiplying here. When it goes from here to here, it will divide it. Then cancel. Value of D is equals to 3 by 2. Then if you want to find value of this, you just need to add A plus D. Then A plus 2D. Then find this value. 5. A2 is equals to 5 plus 3 by 2. It will become 10. 5 2s are 10 and 3, 13 upon 2. It is equals to 13 upon 2. Then 13 upon 2 A3. How will you find A3? 13 upon 2 plus 3 upon 2. It will become 16 upon 2 means 8. Third value will be 8. By this way you can find your values. Okay. Now I am going to tell you question number fourth question is question number 3. Fourth part is just similar to question number third part of question number 3. Okay, I am leaving this for you, and fifth part is also leaving. I am also leaving for your homework. Okay, question number 4 we are going to discuss, in which AP has given, and you have to find which term of this AP is 78. Which term means AN is already given 78, AP is already given. It is equals to 3, 13 and 18. I think yes, it is same. And here from AP you can find your first value, your D is equals to A2 minus A1, 8 minus 3, it is equals to 5. Then put these values into this formula. 78 is equals to 3 plus, and we don't know, n minus 1 and 5. Minus, when we transpose 3 from this side to this side, it will subtract it from 78, and n minus 1 multiplied by 5, 75 is equals to n minus 5. This 5 goes here and cancel. N minus 1 is equals to 15. Then n is equals to 15 plus 1 is equals to 16. This is your n. Means 16th position of this AP is equals to 78. 16th position of this AP would be equals to 78. Simple. So I am expecting that you can solve any type of question by using this formula. Next, further questions I will discuss in my next video. If you have any doubt, any query related these questions which we are doing right now, you can ask in comment box. Thank you so much. Bye bye.